Hi there, I'm Emily. I'm an artist and writer, and I'm here to tell you about my Woodland writing workshop, which I've created for you as an online experience. I've been working with people outdoors for a while now, doing creative things, and a lot of my work is based on nature, connection with nature, and also conservation and ecology. I work with poetry a lot, so that's my main art form, writing wise, although I also love to write short stories and in a more journalistic kind of way. So this course is primarily poetry focused. You don't have to end up writing poetry. It could just be about writing more generally, even if that's just a couple of lines. So this course will be an online version of what I've been doing in person with people. There will be an audio workshop, so the actual instructions and activities will be an audio MP3 that you can download or stream live to take you on a journey through the woodland and through the words that might come out from inside you. I've also included my woodland audio journey and some images and video which you can use as inspiration to do this workshop. So you could imaginatively put yourself in some woodland if you weren't going to go there in person. You don't have to have any writing experience at all to do this workshop. You might have a little or a lot of experience. You could be trying writing for the first time ever and come up with a few things. You could be a seasoned writer looking for some new outdoors experiences and prompts and inspiration, because we could all do with a little bit of fresh inspiration time to time. So included in this course is access to my Field Notes Facebook group, which is where people who do my online courses based on the outdoors can come together and talk and share their work and get feedback from me, from each other. And what I'd really like to do is create a community around being creative outdoors, engaging with nature, connecting with nature more deeply, helping us all be well in these interesting times. Taking time to slow down and notice things, create, come back to ourselves. And being physical as well, moving, being outside, connecting to the world through our bodies rather than being in our heads all the time. It's something I really encourage through my workshops. I think that's all I have to say for now. I really hope you'll join me, and if you do, I will see you in the Facebook group and maybe in person one day.